Hey everyone, it's me Preeti. Yes, in my previous videos, I have made several videos regarding arrays, that is, how to find the second smallest element, how to find the first smallest, how to find the second largest, and so on. I have also made videos regarding how to arrange the elements of an array in ascending order, to arrange the elements of an array in descending order, to find the maximum difference and to find the minimum difference, and so. But all of them will be following a very simple and very what the same logic. So please do watch them, because what I'm going to teach today is to find the smallest elements. That is, imagine you want to find the first smallest element. If you want to find the first smallest element, you will just give the input from the console as 1. When you give 1, it will print back the first smallest element. When you give 2, it print back the second smallest element. When you give 3, it print back the third smallest element. It is all based on the input you give. If you give 1, it gives the first smallest. If you give 2, it gives the second smallest. If you give 3, it gives the third smallest. So that is the reason we call it k value, whatever the value you give from the input console. So first, before that, we're supposed to arrange the array in the sorted manner. So in the ascending order. So when you arrange the elements of an array in ascending order, what happens? First smallest element, second smallest element, third, fourth, fifth will be arranged this way. Whatever the first element when you will print in the ascending order of an array will be the first smallest element. Later it will be continued by the second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. So by now I hope you got an idea of what I'm gonna do now. So please do watch this video properly, because I'm gonna implement the same logic here. That is how to arrange the elements of an array in ascending order, and later post that there is simple logic which helps to do as whatever I explain now. So for now, just try to print the ascending order of an array. Yes, when you print ascending order of an array, if the main logic is if a of I is less than a of j, you're supposed to swap. That is, temp is equals to a of I, and a of I will be equal to a of j, and a of j is finally equal to temporary variable. So this is called the swapping process. Finally, you're gonna print this by using the for loop. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the elements which has been arranged in ascending order plus a of I. Okay, yes. So this is the logic we use to print the elements of an array in ascending order. Yes, just get them into a single line. This one. So this is 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the elements are being printed into ascending order. Now, when you give input as 1, it should return the 0, because 0 is the first smallest element. When you give input as 2, it should return 2, because the second smallest element is 2. And when you give input as 3, it should return back 3, because 3 is the third smallest element, right? So what are you supposed to do? To give an input from the console, you're supposed to use scanner, right? So take a scanner s is equals to new scanner. Yes, it's input stream source, gives system dot in. Yes, later take a print statement, whatever you want to print on the console. So ask enter the value. Okay, so after entering the value, based on the type of a data you enter, so it will be an integer. So I'm giving a variable name as value is equals to s dot next int. So this value stores the value of whatever you enter in the console. Okay, now after all this, what are you gonna do? You are getting the ascending order of an element, right? So for now, just take this off. You're just checking whatever you enter. If the value you enter is equal to I, then print the a of I minus 1. Yes, so just enter. I'm gonna give a space here. Yes, save. I haven't given any print statement anyway. Yes, so it's like enter the value when you give enter. So if you want to find the first smallest element, I'll give just 1. So So yeah, you got 0 is the first smallest element. So let me find 0. So if you want to find the fourth smallest element, I'll run the program. If I want to find the fourth smallest element, what is the it is 5. 5 is the fourth smallest element, and so on. So 8 is the last smallest element. So let's just check it. So I'll give randomly, I'll just give 6. When I give 6, 7, 6, the smallest element is 7, and so on. So this is mainly based on the smallest elements. If you want to get the smallest elements, vice versa, there's another program that is how to find the biggest elements, first biggest, second biggest, and third biggest. In the same way, if you give as 1, it gives out the first biggest. When you give as 2, it gives out the second biggest, and so on. Okay, so I hope you understand. The only logic you might be not understanding is this: value is what you enter from the console. So whatever, if you enter 1, if 1 is equal to I value, that is index position value, then you are supposed to print the first first smallest element, right? But why am I doing I minus 1 here? It's because when I print A of I, then it's gonna take the value from first index position, because I value, the 0th index position value will be anyways 0. But when I give value as 1, it should print back the first smallest element, right? So that is the reason I'm just giving I minus 1. So this is how you do it. It's very simple, and I'll be doing the another program also, that is how to find the biggest elements by taking the input from the console. So please do watch the upcoming videos as well, and thanks for watching. I hope you people understood. If you didn't understand, please do let me know in the comments, so that I'll come back and I'll teach in a better approach. But to understand this particular program, you should know the logic of how to arrange the elements in ascending order. So I have made a separate particular video regarding this. So please do go watch that one and come back here, so you'll understand this perfectly. You just need 1 minute to understand when you understand that program. So thanks for watching. Please do share among your friends that how easy it was to learn, and ask them to watch too. So thank you for watching.